it's Miss Sarika, and I'm coming at you with another video. In this video, we will be working on assignment 4 for the 8th graders. I really appreciate the 8th graders that have been reaching out, asking questions, really getting involved in their learning. I just want to say thank you. I'm really proud of you guys. And for those that have not been commenting or reaching out to me, please do. I miss you guys, and I really want to help you with your learning, because I want you guys to be successful in everything you do, and I don't want you guys to fall behind at all, because you guys are all super smart and super capable, and I just want you guys to be as successful in high school as possible. And I think doing these problems are going to be really helpful for when you guys go to algebra in high school. And by the way, congratulations on accepting your high schools. That is awesome. Okay, so in this problem, I'm going to do question 9, the first problem of these assignment 4, and we are going to be using substitution, which again, if you did not watch my previous video, is my favorite subject in 8th grade math. So with substitution, I'm using one variable in place of another variable, because when I have two variables, I can't really solve it, right? But if I can change everything to one variable, I have a much easier time solving. Given these two equations, they're a system because I have at least two equations. Y equals -4. Oh, that's really helpful. Now I can plug in -4 for y. So let me rewrite this. -7x minus 2, and instead of minus 2y, I can plug in -4 for y. So it's -2 times -4 equals 1, because I know that y equals -4, so then I can plug that right into y in the first equation, and I can get rid of that y. So now it's simple PEMDAS. PEMDAS, remember, means parentheses, exponents, multiplication, addition, addition, subtraction. And so I think this is where a lot of people are being confused. And I think it has to do with multiplying our negative numbers, making sure we're adding and subtracting properly. And yeah, you still really need to remember PEMDAS. So first, I'm subtracting 2. So it's -7x minus, what is 2 times -4? 2 times -4 is -8. And what do we see right here? AKA my favorite thing in the entire world. What was my favorite thing to do in class? Remember karate chop? I would, oh, I can't show you guys this. This is so sad. Just picture I'm doing, I've got my hands with the subtracting a negative, so I'm in my karate stance, and then I karate chop into a big plus sign. Oh, that's so sad. You guys don't get to see that. So then it's -7x plus 8 equals 1. And what's the opposite of adding 8? Because I want to have a variable on one side and a negative number on another. What's the opposite of adding 8? Oh, but of course subtracting 8. And if I subtract 8 from one side, I have to do it to the other. Well, 8 minus 8 is 0. And I get -7x equals, what's 1 minus 8? But of course, -7. And now I want to get rid of the -7x. I just want x. Well, what's the opposite of multiplying by -7? The opposite of multiplying by -7 is dividing by -7. So I would divide by -7 on both sides. -7 divided by -7 is positive x. -7 divided by -7 is 1. Because -7 goes into -7 one time. And if you're ever having trouble with multiplying and dividing negative and positive numbers, you can watch that video. I can even put a link on the Google Classroom. Same signs positive, different signs negative. That wonderfully fabulous video. If you ever need any help, just tell me if you want me to put that up. So I found that x equals 1. Cool, cool, cool. So x equals 1. Now I can plug 1 in for x. And do I even need to solve for y? How many of you realize that I don't even need to solve for y now? I don't know why I'm pausing. I feel like Dora and Dora the Explorer. Because we already know y equals -4. So it's 1 -4 would be our coordinate points. Remember, coordinates always go X and then Y. Well, I hope this was really helpful. I'm going to be posting a couple more videos on this assignment. Please comment below. Tell everyone you know to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you later.